Hi students, today we will learn how to write a report. While writing a report of an event, you should keep in mind that the event had already occurred and you have to follow some basic things to write a complete report. So what are the points? Let's see. So students, first thing is to write the headline of the report. Okay, headline of the event. So you are already given some point of the event, and out of that point you have to write the report. So on the basis of the points and event, you have to choose a catchy headline. The headline should not be one or two single words. You have to choose a line, rather a catchy line for the headline. So first thing, at the top of your report, you have to write the headline of the report. Next, very important thing, you should remember the term PDM, that refers P for place, D for date, and M for the month. Okay, so you have to write down the place where the incident occurred and the date of the incident and also the month of the date. Next, after PDM, you have to put a colon, like two full stop. Okay, so next, opening paragraph. So then you have to start the opening paragraph, and opening paragraph consists such points which related with who, what, when, where. Okay, who was affected, what happened actually, when happened, and where happened. So if you link with that point, you can easily write the introductory paragraph of a report. Then next paragraph includes how it was happened and why, what was the reason behind it. So next paragraph you have to write down about that, and the very next paragraph, people who involved in this incident or experts opinion also, and the feedback of the involvement people. Okay, the also you have to give the feedback or effect of that incident, and in concluding of part of the report, you have to mention about the ex gratia or the effect or overall view of the report. So if you maintain these basic things, if you keep in mind such things, it will be very easy to write a report. You will be given already the points and you should develop. And one thing, you should use past tense. Okay. Now suppose you are given a topic on Amphan to write a report. You are told to write a report on Amphan and also points are given to you. Then how do you write it? Now look at the format. You have to write down at first the heading, means the headline. Here I am writing that severe cyclone Amphan strike West Bengal. So here I have chosen a line. Okay, by line you have to put the headline of the report, and as I am writing a newspaper report, that's why here I mention by a staff reporter. Okay, right side, below the right side of the heading I write by a staff reporter, and from the very left here you should remember PDM means place Kolkata, date 22nd and month May, and after that look we put a colon. Okay, can you see here? And after completing this format, we should start the main part, the body of the report. Now we start the first introductory paragraph of the report. The number of fatalities reached 98 in West Bengal as a severe cyclone Amphan hit with the wind speed of 190 km per hour, triggering heavy rains and uprooting trees and destroying properties of about 1 trillion only in West Bengal. So keep in mind that point. Who means the victim, number of the victims, when, where, what happened. The West Bengal as a severe cyclone when speed of the wind speed of 190 km per hour with triggering heavy rains, and where, in West Bengal. Okay, so who was the victim, when it occurred, and what occurred, and where it occurred. So if you combine all these things, you will make the introductory paragraph of the report. Okay, now you have to develop the points and also how write down how it was occurred and what was the effect of that event. So let's see. Amphan was the first tropical cyclone of the 2020 in North Indian Ocean, and it made landfall in West Bengal at 2:30 p.m. on 20th May after causing slight damage in Sri Lanka. Trees were uprooted, electricity towers were damaged as the strong gales caused havoc, and it resulted disruption of traffic and all types of communication. Okay, so in this way you have to develop all the points. Now we should develop the point of damage of the event. According to the report of the state government of West Bengal, the 70% of the people have been badly affected by the heavy storm. The greatest impact was noticed in Sundarbans, where flooding extended 15 km inland and the bridges linking the islands to the mainlands of India were swept away. At least 19 people were killed in Kolkata, and 236 mm of rain was recorded here. In North 24 Parganas, 2 people were killed and up to 5,500 homes were damaged. So all the data, all the information will be already given to you. Okay, and you have to develop it by making a full simple sentence using past tense. 88,000 hectares of rice paddies and 2,17,000 hectares of vegetables and crops were damaged. Okay, now this is this is one of the very important parts of a report. Show the involvement of the government or the other bodies. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee conducted an aerial survey, and Prime Minister announced an egratia of 10 billion rupees for the recovery of the situation. He also announced that 2 lakhs rupees will be given to the kin of the deceased, and the injured people will be given 50,000 rupees. 20 disaster teams and 1,000 ground teams have been engaged for the recovery of the affected area. So last part is the concluding part of the report. So in this way you have to write a complete report. So students, if you connect all the developed points, you will get a complete report. So at the top of the report you have to put the headline. After that, place, date, month, colon, and start introductory paragraph. Then how and reasonable paragraph, what what was the reason of that event, second paragraph, and you have to add the concluding paragraph, the engagement of other people in the event and also their reaction and overall view. Okay, so just keep in mind all the basic things and try to write yourself.